Hello Isian, how are you today? I'm Murah, I'm from L7 International Hotel and Business School. I'm majoring in room division. So I'm here for tell you all about step by step of making bed. So let's do it. Okay, before we making bed, I will explain about what is in the bed area. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it's must we have bed or mattress inside this, and we have 4 pillow, and in the pillow we have pillow case and pillow, and then we have 2 pillow cushion. This function for beautiful decoration, and then we have duvet. In duvet we have duvet cover and inner duvet, and then we have bed runner and then towel art. This is function is for beautiful decoration, and then we have a bed sheet, and then we have bed box. Okay, just do it and let's making bed.
The first thing what to do is prepare the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet on the mattress in a roll friendly and ensure the position of the bed sheet balanced to cover the top. Next, insert all the edges of the bed sheet into the bottom of the mattress. The next step is make a duvet. First, put the duvet cover on the mattress. And then prepare and insert the inner duvet inside duvet cover. Make sure the corner and inner duvet fit perfectly and evenly. Fold the top of duvet a few centimeters inwards and make sure it looks neat. The next step is to create a hospitality corner. Make the corner of the duvet neat and symmetrical, with the curtain slope that is adjusted to the standard. The next step is put the pillow into the pillowcase. Make sure each pillow enters perfectly. Next, place the pillow at the very top of the bed. Add a pillow cushion to the beautiful of the bed. Next, place the bed runner on the bottom of the bed neatly. And the last thing is make a towel art. This is for beautiful the final presentation of the bed appearance.
Well, that's a video about step by step of making bed. Thank you for watching and goodbye.